In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer domain to Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin for the store where you want the domain to live. This process is done from your Shopify settings, and it is important to take your time so you click the correct option. A domain transfer is different from simply connecting a domain because a transfer moves the domain registration itself over to Shopify. From your Shopify admin, open Settings, then select Domains. This is the section where Shopify manages everything related to your website address, including domains you already own and new ones you might buy. On the Domains page, click Connect Existing Domain. Even though you are transferring, this is still the entry point for the transfer process, so do not worry if the button name sounds like it is only for connecting. On the next page, you will see the option to connect the domain, but instead of connecting it, click the link that says Transfer it to Shopify. This switches you into the correct flow for moving the domain registration to Shopify. Now enter the exact domain name you want to move. Double-check your spelling and make sure you do not include extra spaces. When you are ready, click Next. At this point, Shopify needs to confirm that your domain is unlocked and eligible to transfer. Click Verify Domain. If everything is set correctly, you will see a message that says Domain Unlocked. That message is your confirmation that the transfer can proceed. If you do not see Domain Unlocked, pause here and make sure the domain is unlocked at your current domain provider before you continue. Many providers have a security setting called a transfer lock, and it must be turned off. Also, make sure your domain is not newly registered or recently transferred, since many domains have a waiting period before they can be moved again. Once you have confirmed the domain is unlocked, click Verify Domain again to complete the verification step in Shopify and ensure the status updates properly on the page. After this verification, you will be ready to continue through Shopify's transfer prompts to finish the transfer process when you are on your screen. And that is all there is to it.